How to make my scary eggs, A.K.A. CJFHTOT555's scary effect on KineMaster. First, select media, select Klasky Chupo, drag it to the timeline. Misspelled timeline. Grab color filter, grab basic, grab B38 filter, adjustment, set the adjustment brightness to 50, -50. Drag 2 pitches, grab 6 pitches, -12, -5, 0, unfiltered audio effect, +4, +7, +12. And here's the result. Ready to save. Saving in progress. Zeus. Ready to play this sample. Yeah! Good job! Bye-bye!